Hello everybody, so today I will talk about SHSAT in here, and we have the question: Mission loan rose 2 and 1/8 inches every 2 weeks. He mows his lawn every 2 weeks and cuts off the top 1 and 3/4 inches of lawn. If Mitchell's lawn was 4 inches tall at the beginning of the season, how many inches tall in decimal form is Mitchell's lawn after 8 weeks? So we need to find about the total row. So we know that they rose about 2 and 1/8. Later that we need to cut off 1 and 3/4. So we have the row minus the cut in here. So we have 2 and 1/8 minus 1 and 3/4. Now we can use the number 2 minus number 1. So you got about number 1 in here. We know that number 4 in here, and we have number 3. So in this situation we have number 8 in the denominator. So we multiply with number 2 in the denominator and numerator. So you got about 6 and 8 in here. One minus 6, you got about minus 5. So we have 1 minus 5/8. So now we have number 1. We just calculate from 2 minus 1 in here. So we put 8/8. A minus 5, you got about 3. So this is the way we calculate, so that every 2 weeks the loan will grow 3/8. So now we have 8 weeks. This means that there are 4 times of 2 weeks. So that we use 3/8 multiply with number 4. We have 8 and we have number 4. We simplify in here. You got about 3/2. Now we know that 3/2 is about 1/5. 1/5. We know we have number 4 in the 4 inch in here. So we have 4 plus 1/5. So we can find the final answer. It's about 5.5. And this is the final answer we need to find. That's the end. Thank you for watching.